Understanding the phrase, throw a block. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a unique English phrase, throw a block. This phrase is a bit of a puzzle for many English learners, so we'll break it down together. Stay tuned to understand its meaning and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Throw a block is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to prevent someone from doing something or to create an obstacle in their path. This phrase is often used in contexts where someone intentionally or unintentionally hinders another person's plans or actions. The phrase, throw a block, likely originates from sports, particularly American football. In football, a player may physically block another to stop them from advancing. This sports analogy has been adopted into everyday language to describe any action that obstructs someone's progress. Let's see how throw a block is used in different sentences. 1. In the workplace, I wanted to implement the new system, but my manager threw a block by refusing to approve the budget. 2. In personal relationships, I was going to move to a new city, but my family threw a block by expressing their concerns about my safety. 3. In competition, the other team threw a block by challenging the legality of our new player. Understanding synonyms can help you grasp the essence of throw a block. Some similar phrases are, put a spanner in the works, throw a monkey wrench into, sabotage, obstruct. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning of throw a block and how you can use it in various contexts. Remember, language is a tool for expression, and idioms like this add color and depth to our conversations. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you navigate more exciting aspects of the English language in our upcoming videos.